In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 5 AI 900 key concept questions that keep showing up in the real exam so you know exactly what to expect in 2026. Question 16. You are using Azure Machine Learning Designer to predict the price of a house. What will be the ideal sequence of modules in Azure Machine Learning Designer pipeline? A. Train model, score model, evaluate model. B. Score model, train model, evaluate. Train model, evaluate model, score model. D. Evaluate model, train model, score model. This question asks you to pick the correct order of modules in an Azure ML Designer pipeline. Each module depends on the output of the previous one. Order matters. The correct answer is A. Train model, score model, evaluate model. Train model learns patterns from labeled data first. Score model then applies the trained model to test data to generate predicted house prices. Evaluate model finally compares predictions against actual values to measure accuracy. Why the other options are not correct? B. Score model, train model, evaluate model. You cannot score a model that hasn't been trained yet. C. Train model, evaluate model, score model. Evaluate model needs scored predictions first. It has nothing to assess without score model running before it. D. Evaluate model, train model, score model. Completely reversed. A model cannot be evaluated or scored before it even exists. Quick memory tip. TSE equals teach, show, judge. Train, score, evaluate. Always in this order. Never swap. Question 17. As per below description, which Microsoft guiding principles for responsible AI is followed? AI systems must comply with privacy laws that require transparency about the collection, use, and storage of data, and mandate that consumers have appropriate controls to choose how their data is used. A. Fairness. B. Reliability and safety. C. Inclusiveness. D. Accountability. E. Privacy and security. This question asks you to match a description to one of Microsoft's 6 responsible AI principles. The clue words are privacy laws, data collection, storage, and consumer controls. These all point to one principle instantly. The correct answer is E, privacy and security. Microsoft's privacy and security principle requires AI systems to comply with privacy laws, be transparent about data usage, and give consumers control over their data. This is the only principle that directly addresses data collection, storage, and consumer rights. Why the other options are not correct? A. Fairness. This principle is about treating all people equally and avoiding bias, not about data privacy laws. B. Reliability and safety. This focuses on AI systems performing consistently and safely under all conditions, not data privacy. C. Inclusiveness. This is about empowering and engaging everyone, including people with disabilities, not about data controls. D. Accountability. This is about who is responsible for AI decisions and outcomes, not about privacy laws or data storage. Quick memory tip. Privacy equals your data, your control. Whenever you see data collection, storage, transparency, or consumer controls, it's always privacy and security. Question 18. Which type of computer vision AI service can help you to build a mobile application for employees to scan and store their expenses while traveling? A. Optical character recognition. B. Semantic segmentation. C. Image classification. D. Object detection. This question asks you to identify the correct computer vision workload for a specific real-world business scenario. The key clue is scan and store expenses. Employees are photographing receipts, and the app needs to read the text from those images. The correct answer is A. Optical character recognition. Optical character recognition, OCR, reads and converts text from images into machine-readable digital data. When an employee photographs a receipt, OCR extracts key details like amount, date, and vendor automatically, making it the perfect fit for a travel expense scanning app. Why the other options are not correct? B. Semantic segmentation. This identifies and labels every pixel in an image by category. Example, road, sky, person. It does not read or extract text. C. Image classification. This assigns a label to an entire image. Example, this is a receipt, but cannot read or extract the text written on it. D. Object detection. This locates and identifies objects within an image using bounding boxes. It cannot extract readable text from a document. Quick memory tip. OCR equals eyes that read text. Whenever you see scan, read, extract text, receipts, or documents in a scenario, the answer is always OCR. Question 19. The prediction of a model is determined by which of the following data values: A. Identifiers, B. Features, C. Labels, D. Dependent variables. This question tests whether you understand what drives a model's prediction in machine learning. The key is knowing the difference between what goes into a model and what comes out. The correct answer is B. Features. Features are the input data values fed into a model. The model analyzes patterns in these features to make its prediction. Think of features as the clues the model uses to reach its answer. Why the other options are not correct. B. Identifiers. These are unique IDs, like customer numbers, used to distinguish records. They carry no predictive value and are typically excluded from training. C. Labels. Labels are the output, the value the model is trying to predict, not the input that drives the prediction. D. Dependent variables. This is another name for the label/output, the result of the prediction, not the input that determines it. Quick memory tip: features in, label out. Features equals inputs that drive the prediction. Label equals the predicted output. The model always learns from features to predict the label. To get the free PDF or mock test, comment PDF or mock or both. I will share the downloadable link within next 24 hours. Question 20. Select the appropriate option in the answer area. You can use the GORC service to train an object detection model by using your phone images. A. Computer vision. B. Form recognizer. C. Custom vision. D. Video indexer. This question asks which Azure AI service lets you train your own object detection model using your own images. The key word here is train. This means you are building a custom model, not using a pre-built one. The correct answer is C. Custom Vision. Azure AI Custom Vision allows you to upload your own images, tag objects within them, and train a custom object detection model, all without writing complex code. It is specifically designed for scenarios where pre-built models are not enough, and you need to teach the AI to recognize your specific objects. Why the other options are not correct. B. Computer vision. This uses Microsoft's pre-trained models to analyze images. It does not allow you to train a custom model with your own images. C. Form recognizer. This is designed to extract text and structured data from documents and forms, not for training object detection models. D. Video indexer. This analyzes video content for insights like faces, speech, and topics. It does not train object detection models from phone images. Quick memory tip: custom vision equals train with your images. Whenever you see train, your own images, or custom model, the answer is always custom vision.